Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 630, Facilitating Adult Learning. Today is Saturday, November 9th, and our week number 11 starts on Monday. Technically, it starts on Tuesday because Monday is a holiday. But, as everybody knows, this is a class full of adult learners. And even though USM is closed on Monday, you guys will either work on school stuff or not work on it. It's really up to you. So this is an asynchronous class, but just so you know, USM is closed on Monday. So let's get right to the materials at hand for the week. But the first thing I wanted to show everybody is you come down here, recorded Zoom meetings. The Zoom session from the other evening, from November 7th, has been posted. So if you have not, well, only 2 people participated in that. So please take a look at this. In that, we do talk about the facilitation number 2. And we also, talk about a couple other issues and a couple other assignments, including the professional development option, which I also sent an additional video out the other day. So the optional Zoom is there. So let's go to module 3, which, as you know, encompasses week number 10 and 11. So let me come down here, facilitation number 2. Click on that so everybody can see. So this is all online. Everybody signed up. We are missing, we did have one person dropped the class this week, so that was the last day you could drop a class was this week. So we're only going to have 9 presentations or 9 facilitations coming up. And I have to say that, so if you have not signed up already, please do as soon as possible. If I don't hear from you, I will be inserting your name right in here. And once again, it's looking like we'll probably be done by 12:15 at the latest. That accounts for a 15-minute presentation for everybody, 5 minutes in between, and if we need an additional couple of minutes, that would be fine. So if you have not signed up, please do so ASAP. So here's the schedule. You can find that online. Let me go back to the materials. This week is really all about getting ready for your facilitation coming up. If you have not taken a look at some of the materials from week number 10, please do. We still have time with the discussion forums. And so week number 11, it's really all about the 2 things: professional development option. I'm going to click on that for right now. And the preparation, things to do this week. Well, the big thing is getting ready for your facilitation on next Saturday, November 16th. And as you know, this is a 15-minute presentation, and it's really a facilitation. So you'll see if you do watch the video, the recorded Zoom from the other night, there was a question that Julie had about using a 3-minute simulation, and that is fine. You could use a PowerPoint, whatever you want to do is fine. But just remember, this isn't a 15-minute presentation like number 1. This is a facilitated discussion where you are facilitating our learning. And however you want to do that is truly up to you. You could use a few PowerPoint slides. You could ask us to pull out a piece of paper and write down the 10 things that are important for facilitating adult learning. Whatever method you want to use is fine. But the big consideration is that this is you are soliciting input from us rather than you imparting your knowledge to everybody. Okay. That happens on Saturday, and I'll send out the Zoom link coming up Probably by Thursday I'll send that out to everybody where to go. And also a look ahead. Next week I'm going to be asking everybody to post by midweek, which would be December 20th. That's not this week. That's after the facilitation, your professional development option. So get creative with this, folks. If you want to do a video and post that and use that as your book review, that'd be fine. If there's a professional book that you want to mention, if you were at some kind of professional development conference, you could use your time to put it out there. It's really, this is the extra thing. I mean, it is an assignment, but it's a personal exploration that you've done. And next weekend, I will explain where we're going to put this, but basically it's going to be put in the discussion area for week number 12. Doesn't have to be done next Sunday, the day after our facilitation. It needs to be posted by Wednesday, November 20th. So that's it for me. My goal over the next few days, and I mean this sincerely, is to get caught up on everything, all of the grading that I have to do. I said it in the Zoom the other day, you know, my traveling really kind of set me back a little bit, and I do apologize for that. So, you know, one thing that you will have to do after you do your facilitation number 2, people will give you feedback, and then you write by the end of the week. You write your reflection on that one. So I will have my comments on your reflection number 1 coming up, comments and grade. Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. And like I said, that trip out west really kind of knocked me back as far as some of the grading that I need to be doing. So that will be done. Okay, I hope you have a great week, everybody, and please let me know if you have any issues developing, any issues that come up about the facilitation number 2. Please take a look at the videos that I've posted, the optional Zoom meeting, and then the prior video on the professional development option or assignment, depending on how you look at that. So hope you have a great week, and for those veterans out there, thank you very much for your service. I know it's a big day for my son. He was in the 4th Infantry Division in the Army. He was in Iraq for a couple of years when that war was going on, and I just have the utmost respect for him and all of the veterans that have served. So thank you. Okay, everybody. See ya.